Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Richard Butler School in Butler, New Jersey. And right now I'm in Bulldog Country here in the lunchroom at the school. I got to stay for all the lunches with all the students, got to share my heart for a second time at the school, and today's focus was all on diversity, needing human kindness. Last time I came, we focused on bullying, looking at someone's heart first before anything else, seeing that person just like you see your best friend, and really standing up for what's right. And so heading out to the hallway here, it's pretty cool because they have this pledge that I just walked past, and it's the Richard Butler School 2019 Week of Respect, take the Upstander Pledge. And so a big part of the focus today was also making sure that we choose love and that we choose kindness and that we see the need to stand up for people that maybe don't have as strong of a voice as us, and make sure that we see them as miracles, right? So a lot of students had the M on their hands as well to welcome me with the reminder that the lines on our hand, we all have letter M for miracle, like my shirt says today, the one I was wearing, and upside down W for worthy. That means worthy of love, to give it and receive it. That's the back of my shirt. And know that we're all deserving of love, that we all need it. So I shared a lot of stories and examples of students that really felt like they didn't deserve love or they were born different, and whether it's something with their face or them being handicapped or just anything that might be different about them from the average person or the normal person of who we think is normal, that deep down they have feelings too, obviously, and whether or not we choose to judge them, because that's human nature to judge, we got to get past those judgments and see them for who they truly are, start to appreciate their diversity. So that was the principal focus today, the word diversity, talking about our differences, and whether that's on the outside, anything that may separate us, or on the inside, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, the outside, how we look, that those things that may separate us visually or what we feel in our heart, that we can start to have them unify us. And that's the goal, is to see everybody as human beings and to make sure that we see them, like Dr. King also talks about, the content of one's character. It's who they are, it's their heart first. The Need Human Kindness logo that I showed today, where the peace sign is in the heart, and that's where peace has to begin, within our hearts and within all of us. And it starts with just one act of kindness, and that can start doing tremendous things in this society. This world desperately needs that love and compassion, and it can start with you. And you can make the difference, and that's what I was trying to instill through all the songs, all the videos, all the stories and interactive examples, that we really truly need that human kindness. So again, it was just a beautiful day, getting to speak to everybody here, sharing my heart again with the students and staff. As always, make sure to hit the notification bell to get updates on future videos just like this one, as well as checking out my website at the link you'll see pop up to see my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Also, make sure to check out the playlist that you'll see some other amazing video clips all about what we're trying to do to spread kindness across this country. And you can also subscribe to, just to stay up to date on what's happening. So as always, much love, peace.